Hi my friends, welcome back to the channel. Ruby here, you guys. So today I am going to do a full face of makeup so I can start doing back my makeup now. I'm so excited. My place almost finished clean up. I don't have much left to do, and I just want to thank each and every one of you guys who support me. So I already primed my face, so I am going to use this Ruby Kiss corrector. Sometimes I do like to use a little bit of corrector, although my face look really good. So I am going to use this corrector, and I am going to just put a little bit here, here, here over my forehead, and then in this corner here where I do wear my glasses. So you know guys, the soap that I'm using is working wonders for my face. The turmeric soap and the merengue, they are really good soap to have. So these, I'm blending this. I got this sponge from a cheap affordable store, Blue Note, I think. Is it Blue Note? One of those store I buy this sponge, and I'm trying them out also today on my face to blend out the character on my face. So I don't have much of a dark spot, you guys. The spot is really gone. So okay, I am going to use this Dal 10 today for my face, you guys. It's a super coverage makeup. You get it on the shopping channel. Yeah, you pick this up on the shopping channel. So I am going to use this on the face today, you guys. So I'm gonna put some on this brush here and just use it too. And you don't have to use a concealer if you don't want to, because this foundation do really cover you pretty good. So I am going to put some underneath my eyes also to cover anything. So how is your day going so far, my friend? Mine is going good. I am happy to be alive. I am happy to wake up this morning. So you know, so I'm gonna put some on the brush. Sometimes I like to just put the foundation on the face, and this foundation is pretty thick, you guys. When I say thick, it is very thick. It's really a thick consistent of this foundation. So I am going to put some over my forehead, and it really gave a really beautiful coverage. So I picked this up, I think earlier in the year or last year from Dalton, and I don't hardly use it. I'm going to step out of my house for a minute, so I am going to just use the product on my face. And I know you see like I'm putting a lot, but this foundation, you know, you don't have to if you don't want to. It's for me that it is, you know, me who want to put this amount on me, like really. So make sure it blend pretty good. So I am going to use the sponge and try and blend out this foundation here on my face. Make sure it blend really nicely on the face, you guys. Yeah, so as I was saying, that the year is going so fast. Like we are in almost the end of October, so Christmas is around the corner. Yeah, so I'm just making sure that I really blend this pretty good. And you see, I don't have to use a concealer, which I won't I won't use a concealer. I will just use some setting powder underneath my eyes to really set this foundation, because this foundation really cover really nicely on the face. It's cover dark spot, dark circle, cover high pigmentation. That's how it is. You know, guys, I forgot that I didn't put on any moisturizer. I did put on some oil and serum, and then I put on some primer, but I didn't really put on any moisturizer on the face. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna do my brow off camera and then I'm gonna come back. So you guys, I have finished my brow. Now this is my eyeshadow. I have this eyeshadow, you guys, for a really long while. Not like 3 years, but I have it maybe 2 years. So and it is Makeup with an Attitude number 6. I am going to, they say it's a best-selling superhero comic book, so I am going to use from this palette today, my friend. These are all the color that are in and the eyeshadow. So I am going to use this color right here. I show you the color, my friend, that I am going to use. I am going to use this really nice, beautiful, pretty color, and I'm going to put this over my eyes. I think I'm not gonna use a lot of this color today. I'm just gonna use, like, you know, so Makeup with an Attitude. These are really like affordable eyeshadow that you can pick up. You can like get them at Marshall or Winners if you're looking for. Sometimes you go there, you get the affordable eyeshadow them, and sometimes they have the one that are more expensive lock away. So because people intend to open the eyeshadow them. So like if you go there and you're looking for eyeshadow, make sure you look on it before you pick it up, because sometimes people, you know, that's why I don't really, if I'm going there to buy like skincare, I make sure I look in it, because people intend to um pick up these things and open it before they really bought it, even put their finger in it. So just don't go to Marshall and pick up, you see a beautiful eyeshadow and pick it up or come out. For the people who live in the state, because we have Marshall here but and Winners, but we don't have Winners in the state. I don't think so. But this is really, you can see how beautiful this color is, my friend. It's really nicely, and it blends really good. Wow, this is pretty. This color is so pretty. So I am going to use a different color, which I am going to put underneath my brow bone. So I'm gonna go for this really nice white color, and I'm gonna top off my, ooh, oh my God, I didn't know it was like this. Wow. Oh my Jesus, I have to fix this. This is, I didn't know it was like this. Like, this is crazy. Yeah. So I'm gonna go in with the brush here and try to fix it, because this is too much. Sort of use the same brush that I use on the bottom and just fix it here. It's too much. I didn't know it was like that. Oh wow, this color is really, really beautiful. I think I'm gonna use some of this on my lid, like really on my lid. Sorry you guys, never know it was like that. So then I'm gonna go into this color right here and just put it also here to catch back that color is so bright. I didn't know it was so bright, you guys. It's really a bright color. Until now it cannot, like, it's really, really bright. It's really a bright color. I'm using the same brush. I have some brush to wash, you guys. On my move I haven't washed any brush. Good thing that I have a lot of brush. I haven't washed any brush. Wow, this color is like, whoa. I'm gonna use a different brush here and I'm gonna clean up this color here because I didn't really realize that this color is like that. Wow. So I am going to use the same color right here because this is really a nice color for your inner tear duct, and just put some of it right here. This is such a nice color for your inner tear duct. You can see. Wow, beautiful. This is really pretty. So I'm gonna go back into the same color. I'm not using much color. I'm just gonna use the same color because it blends so good and it's really, really pretty. And put it over my eye here to catch in with this same color that I use on the brow bone. That's really still there. So guys, let me finish up and then I'll come back. I don't use a lot today on the face. I did use my Dal 10 foundation, which I didn't have to use, and concealer for it, you guys. This is really a thick foundation. It do cover under eye dark spot, or it do concealer eye at the same time. So this is what I use for my whole face of foundation. And then I go in with my Fit Me powder. Who can forget about Fit Me powder, you guys? This is what I go in with to also put on my face to set my under eye, and also to finish powder off my face. I did not use a finishing powder. I just use a bronzer also on my cheek, and then I put on some mascara with some eyeliner. Now this eyeshadow palette that I use, you guys, I'm gonna put it up on the screen so you can see. So this was the one that really surprised me. This color, you guys, see it right here underneath my brow bone. It's really a really frosty pigmented eye color, and put it underneath my brow bone, and then I have to try to rectify it. But I only use two colors separate from that one. This one here is this one. I put it all over my lid here, and then I go in with this one to mix. So these are the two colors that I use, you guys, and this is the final look. I put the frosted, this one, in between my inner tear duct there, to because I have small eyes, to make sure that it widened my eye. So I just want to say thank you so much. God bless you. Stay beautiful, stay blessed. Remember, guys, to always show kindness and to be careful out there. God bless you, and I will see you soon. Ciao.